Hi guys and girls on YouTube and welcome to my channel. Just a quick video here. I'm working on one of my cars at the moment and one of the common problems are the rear shock absorbers. Let me just pick the camera up and I'll take you over to this. So if we take a look at that, I've taken the rear shock off. What happens is the bottom here, it gets peppered with stones thrown up by the wheels and that chips the paint off and that eventually leads to rusting. Now not only is this very unattractive, but it can result in the loss of oil and then the shock absorber's ruined. Well, I think I've come up, in the past I've painted these with extra paint, but I think I've come up with a more novel solution now to make this last even longer. So let's just take a quick look. So take a look at this. Heat shrink sleeving around the new shock absorber before you fit it. Now I'm actually fitting two pieces here. I'm fitting a small piece there and I'm going to put another piece over the entire length, and the reason I'm doing that is this part here is going to be more vulnerable because once you get the dust cover on, you can see that that is the exposed bit. The bit up here is not going to get exposed to stone chips, but of course once you get rust it starts spreading up. So I've put this small bit on here first and then I'm going to cover the rest of the shock absorber, oh just drop the dust cover, with another piece of heat shrink sleeving, and I think that's better than paint because paint can chip. This being rubber, and we've got two pieces on at the bottom, it actually cushions any stones. So I don't know what you think about that. I think it's a good idea, but really only time will tell. Alright guys and girls on YouTube, many thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.